Hello, Uneek family. Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be doing a collaboration with the amazing Carolina Girls. Hello, and if you're not familiar with me, my name is Patrice, and here at Uneek Avon, I love doing things with Avon, including tips, tricks, unboxings, things you need to look out for, and tons more. I love doing collaborations with the Carolina Girls and our beautiful NYX Squad. Everybody will be listed, of course, down in the description box below. Well, it has been a long time since I have been on our YouTube channel because I'm in college and I am studying marketing, and that can get kind of heavy. But today I'm going to make it light as we sizzle our way into summer with this beautiful Carolina Girls collab. I am going to dive into my Winnie the Pooh palette. Yes, my Winnie the Pooh palette that I got from Hot Topics. I will leave that in the iCard above of me unboxing it. If you don't remember what it looks like, here you go. It did come with a full-size mirror and these beautiful colors here, which include Honey, Friendship, Wandering, Bounce, Huffalump, Wuzzles, Winnie the Pooh, Honeysuckle, Ta-Ta for Now, Oh Bother, Silly Oh Bad, and Oh Happy Day. And I'm going to create my beautiful summer look using this wonderful palette along with some Avon products, which is in the Magic collection, some Belief mist spray, because usually, y'all, in the summer, to be totally honest, I don't use much. I usually use my no makeup, which is the Magic Tint Naturals. I use the base, of course. I always use the base because it has the SPF 25. I do a little lip balm lip, and I'm out the door. I don't no muscle fuss. But today I am going to break out of that, and I'm actually going to put some makeup on today. I am really still loving my chair. All right, so I am really still loving my chair. I love the way it feels. I get a lot of questions asking me, do you like your chair? It's been a long time since we've seen you. How are you liking your chair? I love my chair. I think it's very comfortable, and with school and work and doing YouTube, I love my chair. I will link, I think my husband is trying to get a code for us. That way you can save on your chair. I love this chair. It's a Secret Labs chair, and this is the extra large, titanium extra large. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh, and I am so excited about this. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the music as I transform myself into sizzling summer.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing out what we made? The future's far away, but I will stay, because I feel again, I feel again, oh now I feel again, we're bringing this back to life, we're picking up where we left off and on again, we never quite could forget, cause what we got so intense. I feel it again, I feel it again, I feel it again. We're bringing this back to life.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights.
That is my completed look for this Sizzling Summer Carolina Girls Collab. I love this. That buildable on there was really kind of heavy. I guess it's because the base that I used, but I absolutely loved it. I loved the way it came out. I loved the Winnie the Pooh yellow, which is on the bottom part of my lash, or the bottom part of my eyelid. I thought it was beautiful. I think it came out really great. Really shocked about the pigmentation of it, and I was really, really happy about this FMG Cherry Rush lipstick with the BioRetina core, and I loved it. It made my lips feel super soft. It made my lips feel super soft, and I absolutely loved it. So, what did you think? Do you like it? Would you wear it? Let me know down in the comments down below. Don't forget to check out Derissa and Amanda. Head over to their channel, see what they created on this beautiful Carolina collab. Well, me and my little pal Buster are gonna head out. So from our family, yours, we wish you a happy and healthy day. God bless, and we'll catch you on the flip side.
In the skies, only you.